ఐకాన్ ఆధ్వర్యంలో హైదరాబాద్లో జరిగిన ఐ లవ్ హెచ్ఆర్ అవార్డ్స్ కాన్క్లేవ్ అండ్ ఎక్స్పోకు విశేష స్పందన లభించింది. ప్రముఖ కంపెనీలకు చెందిన చాలా మంది హెచ్ఆర్లు ఇందులో పాల్గొన్నారు. వారితో సుమన్ ఐటీటీవీ ముఖాముఖి నిర్వహించింది. ఆ విశేషాలు ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం. డైరెక్టర్ ఆఫ్ ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ గీతాంజలి కాలేజ్ ప్రశాంత్ మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు ఈరోజు. సో అసలు ఇక్కడ ఐ లవ్ హెచ్ఆర్ ప్రోగ్రాంలో ఇన్ని ఇంజనీరింగ్ కాలేజెస్ని కలుస్తున్నాం. అసలు స్టూడెంట్స్కి ఏంటి అడ్వాంటేజెస్, ఇక్కడికి రావడం వల్ల వాళ్ళ ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ కానివ్వండి, వాళ్ళకున్న జాబ్ ఆపర్చునిటీస్ కానివ్వండి ఏంటి అని మనం మాట్లాడదాము. సో ప్రశాంత్ గారు, ఇక్కడ ఐ లవ్ హెచ్ఆర్ ప్రోగ్రాంలో ఆల్మోస్ట్ మనం కలుస్తున్నాము. చాలా ఇంజనీరింగ్ కాలేజెస్ వస్తున్నాయి. బట్ గీతాంజలి కాలేజ్కు అడ్వాంటేజెస్ ఏంటి, మీరు ఇస్తున్న మెసేజెస్ ఏంటి, అండ్ స్టూడెంట్స్కి ఎట్లా ఇది ఉపయోగపడుతుంది?
Thank you for inviting me for this event. So I'm Prashanth, the Director of Placements and Corporate Relations of Geethanjali College of Engineering and Technology. Thank you, Suman TV, for giving me this opportunity to talk about the HR network as well as how it is useful for the students. Basically, every student has a potentiality, and these kind of events like these HR networks will help us to bridge the gap between the academia and the industry. This is the first thing. There should always be, to bridge the gap. There is a lot of gap between the academia and industry, which needs to be bridged up, and it has to be, the gap has to reduce. And this message, these kind of events will help networking to the placement teams of all the engineering colleges, and also it gives a lot of boosting to the placement officers to meet the HRs, talk about, branding will be done. So most of the engineering colleges which come here and meet the HRs, they have a lot of benefits. First is the branding. They can brand their institution to the HRs can understand what is the college, what kind of education has been given in the college campus, how the students are upgrading their knowledge, and what aspects they are learning, okay, and how they are upgrading the skills. So that is the first instance where the HRs can understand about the institution. The second thing is that the placement officers also can understand what kind of requirements in the recruitment is been happening in the industry. So that will give a lot of awareness to the placement officer to understand about a particular organization, a company, that what kind of requirement they have, what kind of technology they are using in their organization, which can help our students to learn those technologies if they work in such companies. So this is the another advantage, and a lot of branding happens, about the institution, as well as institution can understand the companies. Okay, the institution can understand the companies, where they are and what kind of hiring is being happen. Hiring process about the students, as well as what skill set the industry requires for the student. This can be taken to the management, to the education institutions, and prepare the students according to the requirement of the industries. Okay, so HR can give us this focus. Even the placement officers and HRs, if they sit together, they can talk about many things about how to build the skill set of the students and how to identify the talent of students. That is the another advantage which has been given. So this is really wonderful, wonderful. Yes, this is a wonderful networking opportunities, and also this will help that the student community to gain advantages from this, because there are ample of opportunities in the world. The only thing is that people say recession. The recession is only just a transformation of technology, but not that the IT industry is slowing down. It is not like that. Yeah, it is. There are jobs. There are really jobs, but the thing is that we need to identify our student skill set and map the skill set with the identification of, with the skill set, match the skill set to the industry needs. That is more important. So that we need to look into this, and these kind of events will help us to understand and to prepare our students accordingly what the industry needs. Yes. So thank you very much. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you very much. Thank you.